Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the chronic scripts. Chronic medication refers to medication that patients need to use for a duration longer than 5 months. Patients will present this script at the pharmacy to obtain their prescribed medication. In this video, we will start on a script screen. For more information regarding the script screen, please refer to the Basic Script Features user manual linked in this video's description. The script can be converted from an acute script presented by the A button to a chronic script represented by the C button by simply clicking on the C button. For more information regarding the acute script, please refer to the Prescription Letters Acute Scripts Overview user manual linked in this video's description. Alternatively, as soon as the repeat amount is adjusted above 4, the script will automatically be updated to a chronic script. Click on the Import Lines from Chronic Diagnosis drop-down menu to import a pre-set up chronic condition, which will automatically complete the required fields in the script items section. Please note that the user will need to set up chronic conditions first for this feature to be utilized. For more information on creating chronic conditions, please refer to the Chronic Conditions user manual linked in this video's description. Click on an applicable chronic condition to import to the chronic script. The imported chronic condition will now display, with the pre-set-up condition fields already filled out. In order to complete the chronic script, a signature for the practitioner should be completed. Click on the Add Signature button. The signature capture screen will open. For more information in regards with adding a practitioner's signature, please refer to the How to Add a Doctor Signature user manual linked in this video's description. Complete the practitioner's signature by entering the practitioner's signature pin or manually drawing the signature in a designated area. Click on a Close button to exit the script screen without saving. Click on a Save button to import the signature to the script.